we should have like another graphic.
Is there an SD card in here? And I don't have one either.
Well, we're not recording it.
Well, it'll save on there. It'll save on the YouTube thing because it should be streaming straight to YouTube.
And from the live
Not really. Not like for real.
Why is this jersey black? Why is it I
Spell
can
the quarterback.
change the left color and logo, but I can't change the right? Jesus knows. I don't. Do you know why we need longer? He's like, do you know why we need longer audio cable? No, that's a Jesus question.
I'd like to welcome everyone this evening to the annual Denver Red and White Spring Game. First off, the red team will be comprised of the defensive players, the white team will be the players on offense. Just to give you a rundown on the scoring rules, the offense can score with a first down, that will be 1 point, a run of 15 yards or more will be a point, pass of 20 yards or more will be 1 point. Field goal is 3 points, touchdown for 6 points, extra point is 1, and a 2-point conversion is 2 points for the white team, which is the offense. On defense, the defense can score with a drive stop, that will be 1 point. With 3 and out, to get the defense 3 points. Takeaway is worth 5 points. If the defense scores a touchdown, that's 6 points. Extra point block is worth point, safety is worth 2 points, and sack is worth 1 point. Well, I'd like to send out a special welcome to our 2019 Fighting Stock recruits who are here with us today. And we promise you the weather come August will be much better.
Hey, I was born and raised in LA.
There you go.
Fuck this too. Just so we have it. What's up? Oh, we are? Connect to them? Yeah, we're supposed to hear the field. He said, Stu just said just connect this to this and put it outside so we can hear the field.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Head Coach Wayne Rodgers and his staff. And your 2019 Fighting Stock.
Did you connect this already?
Nope. And you
Well, for ambiance, huh?
Yeah.
You better watch what you catch up here.
See you next time.
No more trips. Should be good. Be back.
Opening up quarterback for White team number 7, Andrew Cocco. Mike will start off first and 10 from 25.
Oh shit, scared.
Yeah, overlay.
No, like actual stats in the office. Stats is in the office.
Oh, really?
Outside the ball against the defense will be first and 5 from the 30.
Jesus, what does it mean if I have a? Oh, it just means there's no SD card in here. Take that back. I was like, it's blinking a B at me.
ball carrier. Fumbles is picked up on the play by number 5, Drake Smith.
Me too.
And returned 30 yards for a Rex touchdown. And that's 6 points to the Red team.
Which one of us does he want?
Make him kick it. Make him kick it.
Yep. But I already moved the mic outside. Okay.
Jordan Castelli pass is complete to Adam Patsucci for a short gain of 1 second and
Find
9.
the audio now. Taking it off of. What do you want me to do? No. Right. Alright, try.
Coming on the keeper,
Try it now.
brought down by Connor Kelly. It'll be a loss of about 4 yards on the play. That's another 3 points for the Red team with the drive for the 3 out.
How far is that high school from
I
you?
already said it's my pen. I already did.
If you went to public school.
Alright, I'm taking it off again.
We'll start the second quarter now. This is number 7, Andrew Tomko, to begin at quarterback. Tomko's pass falls incomplete. Intended for Khalil Jackson II. On the coverage, number 17, DeAndre Dowdell. Penalty flags on the play, illegal procedure against the offense. We'll move it back 5 yards to the 20, second and 15. Tomko's pass incomplete, intended for Tanaz Gregory. It was tipped at the line of scrimmage.
Good, thank you, sir. Let's go. I'll be all right. Oh, I forgot you was
That goes down as a sack and a 3 and out for the defense. So another 4 points. 20-0 in favor of the Reds. We'll start the next series with number 12, Jordan Castelli, beginning at quarterback. Kyle Sims, the ball carrier. He's tackled on the play by number 90, Gilberto Ortiz. No gain on the play. Castelli sacked on the play. Credit that sack to 61, Barrett Hoffman. Loses 5 yards. Under a heavy rush, Castelli throws the ball out of bounds. Another 3 and out for the defense. On our third series of the second quarter, this is number 3, Jared Keller, in at quarterback. Keller's pass intended for Tanaz Gregory is incomplete. There are flags on the play. Offside is the call. Keller's pass is caught by number 18, Andre Flash Dowdell. Takes it inside red territory to the 46. That's a gain of 24 yards and a first down. Howie Reed on the carry. He's tackled for a loss of 3 yards by Tariq Smith. Also 33, Connor Kelly. The Keller to Flash Dowdell connection once again. And it's good for a White first down to the 36-yard line, a gain of 13 yards. Give Keller a gain for a yard on that run.
Come on, man! Get in the next box. Hey, get in that next box. Let him know.
Keller's pass is knocked down by number 33. That's Connor Kelly. Keller's pass is tipped in the air by Connor Kelly and then intercepted by 24, Maurice Sims, to end the White drive. Number 8, Levi Becker now in at quarterback for the White. 29, Alvin Lara on the carry. Picks up 2 yards to the 27. Backer on the keeper. He'll be credited for a gain of 2 up to the 29. That will go down as a sack for the red team. Jamal Hayden, also Gilberto Ortiz in the backfield. Now we'll work on the punt game. This is Corey Badaracco, the punt. Punt carried about 50 yards. .40 yards on that punt for Corey Badaracco. And that's a punt of 42 yards.
Actually, yeah, that's what's coming up next, right? Fit.
47 yards on that punt.
Nate, you gotta watch the drink. Don't let that 16-year-old do that.
47 yards once again the distance on that punt. With the bounce 44 yards on that punt.
This ain't shit to get me fired up, Mahomes.
Offense won. Now they're going back.
Everybody on the offense, bring it in, let's go.
Just 4 down.
Yeah, you don't know about it. They don't teach that shit in the little guys no more.
Yeah, you're not allowed to do that no more.
You don't do Oklahoma. Yeah, you might call it Oklahoma. That ain't Oklahoma, it's y'all do
Well, how do you guys do that?
Man, they just be, it's nothing like that. It's be one-on-one, yeah. That lineman in the back, maybe. It's far, it ain't like, it ain't like
That's close.
we used to play, man.
That's close.
It's close.
Had enough of this.
Tell your mom I said hi. Tell her, hey, I
We'll
got
get underway with the third quarter now. This is Andrew Tomko in at quarterback.
Tell your mommy put CJ in.
Off goes pass intended for number 10, John Long. It's broken up on the play by DeAndre Dowdell.
Yeah, watch the hard count.
Penalty flags on the play. Offsides the call against the defense. We'll move it up 5 yards. It'll be 2nd and 5.
First one, man. They're ready to get it.
Off goes pass. Intercepted by number 31, Fernandes Dennis II. Returns it at 17 yards. For the second series of the third quarter, now in at quarterback number 15, Trent Gray. Now Sims breaks a couple tackles, ends up with a 2-yard gain on the play. Sims once again the ball carrier. Brought down by Abrahami Kessington, also Tucker Harrington, a loss of 2. 3rd and 10. Gray's pass is complete to 87, Adam Pascuzzi. Tackled on the play by Joshua Boyd.
I won. You want me to call it out? Where's the microphone? There it is, right over there. Get that one. Let's get the furry one. I'll check my tickets first. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's 200. Where's the microphone? Let's go in here.
He's on the other side. Microphone's on the other side.
12, Jordan Castelli, now in at quarterback for the Whites. Castelli's pass is incomplete, broken up on the play by 13, Branson Smith. Castelli's pass complete to Flash Dowdell. Gain of about 3 yards on the play. The Castelli to Dowdell connection clicks again, and it's enough for an Edinboro first down. 12 yards on the reception to the 40. Castelli to John Long, 9 yards on the play, 2nd and 1. Penalty flags on the play. The indication offside against the red team. That'll give the white a first down and another point.
You win? Oh, you're in.
I kind of thought I did, but I was off by 200 people.
Oh, there it is.
About time!
Castelli's pass with Sanaz Gregory falls incomplete. There's a flag on the play. After the initial indication of pass interference against the offense, it is actually pass interference on the defense. We'll mark off 15 yards against the red, and it'll be another first down for the white. Castelli's pass intended for John Long is incomplete. Coverage on the play by number 37, Killian Cooper. Credit the reception to number 2, Sanaz Gregory. He hauls in Castelli's pass down to the 23-yard line for a gain of 8 yards. Castelli on the keeper. He's tackled by 32, Eric Elgin. Loss of 2 on the play. And also we have the winning 50-50 ticket number if you have ticket number 040093. Once again, that's 040093. Congratulations, you're our winner. You're taking home $240. You can collect that prize At the T-shirt sales table, once again, that's 040093. We'll begin the fourth quarter with number 3, Jared Keller at quarterback.
Oh, come on, you ain't gonna make it. You might as well come sleep on my couch. We can go to Edinburgh Hotel. College kids told me about
Keller's pass intended for Tanaz Gregory is incomplete. 2nd and 10. Keller's pass intended for Khalil Jackson is incomplete. 3rd and 10. Keller's pass once again incomplete, intended for Jackson. There'll be a 3 and out for the defense. Number 8, Levi Becker to start out at quarterback for this series. Alvin Lara thrown for a loss on the play by Vincent Hudson. It'll be a loss of 4 yards on the run. Becker's pass incomplete, intended for number 85, Jacob Quintana. Coverage on the play by Killian Cooper. Alan Lara with the run. 9 yards on the carry, tackled by Eric Elgin. It does come up short of a first down. Another 3 and out for the Reds. On this series, number 7, Andrew Tomko in at quarterback. To John Long for the long gain into red territory. Ball down at the 38-yard line. 37 yards on the play. Tomko's pass is intended for Khalil Jackson. It's incomplete, but there is a flag on the play. Pass interference, the indication against the defense. Could be 15 yards and a first down for the White. Tomko's pass intended for Jackson is incomplete. Tomko's pass is broken up by Killian Cooper. That's Andrew Tomko to John Long. 23 yards and a White touchdown.
About time you ain't got a jacket. You live like 3 miles away from camping. Yeah, right. Oh, they playing no basketball. I seen them guys thing out in here.
Jake Monroe to attempt the extra point. It is up and good. There's a flag on the play. Offsides the call. The penalty is declined. And Monroe's extra point is good.
That's where we were! Yeah!
Oh, yeah, the points, yeah. Every stop, defense was going to start first down, and almost get one. And then they defense scored, and they get three.
This series will start with number 12, Jordan Castelli at quarterback. That's Castelli to Flash Dowdell. Takes it inside the red territory to the 47. 28 yards on the game.
Castelli's pass intended for Dowdell. Coverage on the play by Cervantes Des. Kyle Sims, the ball carrier, thrown for a loss of about 2 yards by host of Red Fighting Scots. Castelli's pass was intended for Dowdell. Credit the breakup on the play to Billy DePaul.
The hot dogs are done. That means the hot dogs are done.
And that'll wrap up the 2019 version of the Red and White Spring Game. Just a reminder, fans, the Fighting Scots will open the 2019 season at Grand Valley State on Saturday, September 7th. We're home a week later for the home opener here at Sox Harrison Stadium, hosting Bloomsburg Saturday, September 14th. Kickoff at 12 noon. We look forward to seeing you.
Good to see you. Good to see you.